back to HoltImages. On today, I'm about to go fly my DJI Mini 5 Pro, and also I want to do a test on DJI Mic 3. Get some audio on your drone. Show y'all how to get audio on your drone, or test and see if it works. Should work. But this is the DJI Mic 3, and this is the DJI Mini 5 Pro remote. And you see you got the transmitter on the remote. I'm gonna show y'all how all that works. But make sure you hit the like, subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you know when I upload more awesome content. I got screen record going on.
Take off.
Finna put the drone up in the air.
Home point updated.
I don't know if y'all can hear that audio. Gonna do some tracking. Active track.
After subject starts moving, aircraft will fly to set direction.
Hopefully it'll track me through here and won't hit none of these trees or these bushes. Let's pray. It's beeping, boy. It's going off. See all these trees in front of me? These low-hanging bushes? Wonder what it's gonna do when it get right here. Man, I know y'all see this. It's crazy. You check on it. It's doing a good job so far. Doing a good job. Went through the trees, it's still following me. That's dope. Let me send it around to the front. Send it around in front of me. Gotta be careful because there's some trees over here. I don't want it to hit those trees. I was trying to get the sunset, but the sun don't already kind of set it. So, guess we'll just do some little flying around. Give me a bench to sit on. Oh. Let's see if I sitting behind me. Is it gonna see the pole? Yeah. I saw the pole. All right. Let me cancel this active track. So I'm gonna try to. Alright, stop that. And do spotlight. How you doing, bro? Yeah. It's scared it's gonna hit the pole. It's beeping and beeping and beeping and beeping and beeping. Y'all hear that? It's like, no, sir, not today. That's dope. You see what it look like over here. Sun already don't set it. It's gone, just that fast. I was late to the party. Oh, I got the screen record going. Put this bad boy in the air.
Goal point updated.
Test this bad boy out. I launched it in sport mode. Look good at night. I'm finna fly down here. Get some footage of this bridge real quick. See this barge? Look at the barge. The lights on the bridge look good. Let me zoom to this barge. I'm gonna do an orbit around the barge. Hey, I ain't even started recording. I just started recording. Do the orbit around the barge. See what's beneath me. Barge getting on down on me. All right, barge. I don't want to play with you. That thing is moving. My drone catching up. Trying to anyway. I'm struggling. What mode I'm in? Normal mode. Get down here, I just want y'all to see these lights on this bridge. See lights on the bridge. Video breaking up signal. Breaking up now. Made it.
Obstacle sensing unavailable.
Yeah, I know. No sensing available at night. Look at the water. The lights shining on the water. She could do a time lapse. It's nighttime. It's on auto settings. See what it look like. Straight from the drone. Mini 5 Pro at night picks up that low light real well. And it's on zoom right now. Let me zoom out. So colors are real good. So I gotta go catch this boat. So boat. Let me see, put in sport mode.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
So I gotta catch this boat. Get close to it at least. It's a little fogginess in the air, but it's picking up real. The picture quality, that 1-inch sensor, it sure make a difference on this drone. I don't think I'm gonna be able to catch this boat because I'm a little ways out, and that's it. That light y'all see down there by my H, if y'all looking at my screen recording. But I don't think I'm gonna make it. Too much drifting. Wind. Going against the wind. Trying to come in. Guess y'all could check that out while it's picking up real well for low light. Through the park. Zoom through the park. I ain't gonna catch that boat. And I ain't gonna worry about catching that boat. I might can still catch it. Let me try. If I lose my drone, y'all. Mosquitoes bite. Y'all give me another drone. I'm gonna try to catch it. Battery's getting low. Let me see what I can do. I'm gonna fly up over on the other side. Fly up over the other side. I got 5 minutes of battery.
Max altitude reached.
Too high. Let me zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Let me get ahead of it. I think I'm ahead of it. Spin around, back up, go back.
Max altitude reached.
I'm not trying to do that. Can I catch the boat? Yeah, I caught the boat. Make sure I ain't in. Put them in normal mode. Caught the boat. Zoom in real good. That's cool. All right. It's time for me to come back home. I'm gonna hit the return home button. See how I do on returning home.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution. Return to home.
See, is it gonna come back to where it's supposed to be? We're gonna find out today. Oh, it's coming. Heard it beeping. See, do I see it? Yep. Come on home. 26 seconds away.
Landing.
I hear coming down. There you go. Landed where it took off from. It was a good flight. Oh. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button for more awesome content. Peace.